I definitely did not set out to start a bakery. I don't think Laurel or I did. We met as bridesmaids. We both love baking and old movies, and so we became really fast friends. Then I saw my friend start disappearing.
It was around that time that I was diagnosed with my autoimmune disease, which is Hashimoto's disease.
She lost a lot of weight really quickly. She lost all of her energy and spark.
I treated it with synthetic hormones for about 2 years and did not see results. I started to realize there was something wrong with me. When I started this 100% paleo lifestyle, I immediately started to feel different. With every bite, just like getting one step closer to feeling like a healthy human being. I just started to work with ingredients that I could eat myself, and I learned so much just by feeding myself and nourishing myself and focusing on healing my body through food.
One day she brought over this cake that she was messing around with. As I want to do, I cleared the entire plate in like 10 seconds. She starts listing off the things that aren't in it. There's no refined sugar, there's no grains. It had all the ingredients that she could eat. There was something about this slice of cake and my friend who is so effortless and just so passionate about what she does that I just saw it immediately. I turned to her and I said, okay, well, what are we doing with it?
I saw the power of healing through food firsthand, and I wanted to share it with other people.
We started doing events and very quickly started figuring out exactly what the brand dynamic would be. It's founded in education, and it was about creating something that's feminine, modern, and about health and wellness, making the experience of eating good food really body positive. And so for Sweet Laurel, we really doubled down on the feminine. You know, we're like, oh no, not only is it gonna be cake, it's gonna be pretty, and it's gonna be covered in flowers. Everyone should be able to have a slice of cake on their birthday. Really good cake, like cake that they feel proud of.
So many of our workshop attendees are people that are really struggling. They might not have had a brownie since they were put on their crazy diet by their doctor, and it's been like 5 years, and now they know how to bake one. And that is the most rewarding thing.
It's clean food, it's good for you, it feels good to eat. The fact that it's so pure in that sense, it's really funny that Sweet Laurel started on social media platforms. I knew for growing the brand, it would be purely aesthetic. To me, this is a visual brand above all things. It actually is amazing how a food brand isn't geographically tied to the people who can actually enjoy it. It's people who see the imagery, they see the lifestyle that we're talking about, they see the education and the recipes we're providing, and it reaches out beyond the plate. You could enjoy it just as much just by looking at it and by following one of the recipes we're providing for you. When we started Sweet Laurel, you were struggling so much with health. All the things that defined who you were kind of taken away from you. You've actually brought every single one of those back.
I have been so impressed with how Claire's been able to harness every aspect of creativity possible. She's just been like that guiding light and creative behind everything. The fact that I have gotten the privilege to write a cookbook of my own is huge, because I didn't go to culinary school, I didn't go to pastry school, I read cookbooks. It's been very special. And as an educator and baker, it's like a dream come true.